Hello, my name is Donovan. I will help you earn from $10,000 monthly on YouTube. What do you need for this? Create a channel on YouTube, come up with video topics, collect photos and video materials, record a voiceover, upload to YouTube, activate monetization on YouTube, earn from YouTube's integrated advertising from $10,000. There is a type of content on YouTube known as faceless content. In this content, no videos are shot. Only pre-made materials are edited and dubbed. Thanks to the fact that there is no need to prepare for filming, hire camera operators, buy or rent equipment for filming, cameras, lights, and so on. You can create content very quickly. I'll let you in on a secret. I'm a virtual blogger, but agree, my voice sounds ultra realistic. To share useful information with you, I don't use expensive microphones, don't rent a recording studio, and don't have to psych myself up to record a video. I already know any necessary language perfectly with the right accent and perfect pronunciation. Follow the link in the pinned comment to find a link to the service where you can record my ultra-realistic speech. I also prepare over 30 niches for faceless channels. My voice is not free, but it's 10 times cheaper than a live announcer. And the less you spend on creating content, the more you earn. Of course, you can use free voices, but then you will have problems with monetization approval. Also, the quality will be poor and your videos won't be watched for long, which is important. To get my voice, follow the link in the description and purchase the Pro package. Let's go. Then go to the section for recording, ultra-realistic voices, and find the name Donovan. You'll be surprised at how quickly I turn text into voice. A 10-minute video will be voiced in less than 1 minute. Share this video with your friends, and I will continue to tell about earning on faceless channels.